Hey, so one of the really great things about Xano is its support for geo functionality, and it's very robust. So in this video, I just want to take a moment to show you a quick example of how you could actually sort your records in the query based on their distance from a certain point. So let me jump to my database real quick. I just want to show you, I have these merchant records, just their name and their location. If you don't know how to get to uh, build a geo right here in your database, you would just hit plus, scroll to the bottom, and click on geography. We have point collection, path, polygon, etc. I just did a point. I'll just show you real quick example. And if you click, you have this map that you can go through. You can even enter in addresses. I did Santa Barbara. You could even get more specific than that. You could add the point, move it around, hit save. I'm just going to delete this field right now because I already have my points set up. Let me jump to the API and into this API group, this example API. I've built some of it already. I just have an input, which is just taking the geolocation, so the latitude and longitude. Now I'm querying all my records in the merchant table. So we want to actually be able to sort these records based on their distance from my input. So if I go into this query all records, go to the output, at the bottom we have evals. So this allows us to basically reference a field or even create a field that's not in our normal response. And we can filter it, we can sort on it, etc. So let's go ahead and add one here. And I'm going to hit add eval, and I'm going to hit the drop down and click my merchants.location. So that location field, but now I'm going to call this distance. And right here, I'm going to add a filter to it. And if I go search through my filters for a filter called distance, provides the distance in meters between two geometries. So I'm going to select that. And then the geometry that I'm going to determine is going to just be my input. So that location input. I'll hit update. I'll hit save. You'll see that's just got added on as a field into my response. So now we can actually sort on that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit add sort. And if I hit the drop down under evals, there will be my distance. Let's say in ascending order, so closest records first. I'll hit save, and let's go ahead and run this. And this latitude and longitude I have here in the input is actually one of my merchant locations. So we should get one that has a distance of 0. So if I go ahead and run this, yep, that's what we get. So we see Mesa Burger, distance is 0, and then we have Firestone is the next one, some 130,000 meters away, and then so on and so forth. Those numbers get bigger. So there you have it, just a quick example, but obviously a very useful and powerful tool.